James and I are getting ready to ride today, and I figured I'd start this video right here. That's Catalina out there. It looks like it. James and I have been riding, we're about 10 miles in, 11 miles in, and it's been raining, and coming up the steep part over there, it was really, really windy. We were coming up that 17%? 17% I think it is in a headwind, and neither of us has really ridden much, so it was really, really painful.
Is my mouth lined up?
Almost. There you go.
All right, take two.
Okay, you're close, man. It's still off center. Just a skeleton that got hit in the jaw.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. I haven't taken this out much today at all, in fact, other than the still photos, because this jacket that I'm wearing, I can't get to the pockets in the back. And I wasn't going to put it on, but it got cold, and I'm glad I have it on. At 51 degrees, it's freezing. It is sunny Southern California after all. And oh, James has knee warmers on. I don't. All right, we're gonna go this way. I'll show you guys more down there. Morning.
There's a car there. You stop in the same area. And he was almost getting robbed, and he pulled out his gun and shot a couple of them.
Huh.
But he has to go, like, he can't kill himself. So.
Hey, morning. Hey. Morning.
That's to book a trip to Santa Cruz.
But then there's another one down there too. Hiking down there and coming up and doing a really cool pan-up shot would be where I wish I had a grab grip, but I don't. The only way you can get in, because it's completely closed off, is if you live here, you have property up here, and you have a key to the gate. Because it was sprinkling and everything is wet, it smells so amazing up here. Wow. Beautiful. And that is a beautiful shot through here. Before this was closed, you would have had motorcycles and cars, and there was at least one accident every single weekend with the motorcycles that parked down at the rock store, then they'd race up here through here. It was
carbon fiber parts all over there.
Yeah, we don't get that anymore. It's kind of nice, actually. This looks like it was flowing pretty good a couple weeks ago. JonnyPink, and I want to say thank you for joining us. Not the normal ride. There was a lot of debris, a lot of rain, wind on the other side. It's actually really cold. At least I'm really cold. JonnyPink. We'll see you guys.